welcome to Channel 130 News. Today's broadcast is brought to you in part by Movember. Beautiful, isn't it? Now remember, grow a mustache, any hair, and it's a good cause. In tonight's news, we are going to Augustana University in Camrose, Alberta, where a study on the effects of the sympathetic nervous system is being done by my group of incredible newscasters. Alright, we're going to head over to Emily Fantana now. She's going to be on site at this wonderful, wonderful occasion.
Go. The nervous system consists of the brain, spinal cord, and a complex network of neurons. This system is responsible for sending, receiving, and interpreting information. The nervous system monitors and coordinates internal organs in response to changes in your external environment. This system can be divided into two parts, the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. This video is going to take a look at the peripheral nervous system and its divisions. Over to you, Brianna.
The first division is called the sensory nervous system, which can then be further divided into the motor nervous system, where the cells carry information from the CNS to organs, muscles, and glands. The motor nervous system is divided into the somatic nervous system and the autonomic nervous system. For this video, we will be mostly focused on the autonomic nervous system.
The somatic nervous system controls skeletal muscles as well as external sensory organs such as the skin. The system is said to be voluntary because the responses can be controlled consciously. Reflex reactions of skeletal muscle, however, are an exception. These are involuntary reactions to external stimuli. The autonomic is divided into the parasympathetic and the sympathetic. The parasympathetic division controls various functions which include inhibiting heart rate, constricting pupils, and contracting the bladder. Now we're going to head over to Brady Loren.
The nerves of the sympathetic division have an opposite effect. Nerves of the sympathetic division speed up heart rate, dilate pupils, and relax the bladder. The sympathetic system is also involved in the flight or fight response. This is a response to potential danger that results in an accelerated heart rate and an increase in metabolic rate. The flight or fight response. When we are experiencing excessive stress, whether from internal worry or from external circumstances, a body reaction is triggered called the fight or fight response. This response corresponds to an area of our brain called the hypothalamus. When our flight or fight response is activated, sequences of nerve cell firing occur and chemicals like adrenaline, noradrenaline, cortisol are released into our bloodstream. These patterns of nerve cell firing and chemical reactions cause our body to undergo a series of very dramatic changes. Our respiratory rate increases, blood is carried away from our digestive tract and directed into our muscles and limbs, which require extra energy and fuel for running and fighting. Our pupils dilate, our awareness intensifies, our sight sharpens, our pulse quickens, our perception of pain diminishes, and our immune system mobilizes with increased activation. We'll now be observing.
Fantastic report, ladies. Scream, you might need some kind of facial cream or sunlight. You're looking a little pale, my friend. Again, to recap tonight's news, don't worry in a scary situation. Your body has you covered. Two bad situations solve themselves as ISIS has been completely wiped out by Ebola. Who saw that one coming? Finally, the city of Edmonton has decided on a new name to put on all their signs. Home of the first round draft picks. Quite suiting, I believe. This is Dan Stagg signing